Hi, good morning, guys. How was your night? As you all know, my name is Chingy. Welcome to my channel. Today's vlog is basically for cleaning. Home cleaning. So let's start today's vlog. Yeah. Imela chiwero bioma. Imela. Imela. Imela chiwero bioma. Well, sometimes this does better job than this, but it's too easy. And then this. Oh, we go wash this butter and store water because where we live If you don't store water and NEPA sees the light for a day or two, you are in serious trouble. Mhm. What to do? For liquid soap, a new liquid soap for washing and cleaning. So once this thing is done washing now, I'll pack here. So I washed this oats. I'm going to sun dry it. After sun drying it, then I will go and grind it for my mom. I do mix it with finger millet. Yes, I mix it with finger millet and then grind it. She either makes swallow out of it or she will drink it as a syrup. It's good because she's diabetic and this is good for her. If you come across this my video, please subscribe to my channel. I'm new here on YouTube and all I need is subscribers and to build my own community of people that are going to love me and I will love them back. Báwo ni? Báwo ni o? This story, God is in the business. God is in this song. Oya tèmi tèmi. I am blessed, I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed, I am blessed. I don't deserve it, but yes, I am blessed. Blessed. I am blessed with love more. Don't deserve it, but yes, I am blessed. Somewhere. Hasn't been an easy one, but God is in the story. I'm going to cook a goosey soup today. So I'm trying to do this very fast and then go to the market because I have to cook a goosey soup and then go pick my kids by 4 p.m. So, because I have a lot to do today. Recently I joined YouTube and I'm already loving it here. I see the authenticity in some of the people I subscribe to their channel. The authenticity in their videos. I love it. I've always wanted a place where I can just be me. Live my life, do the things I love doing, and thank God I found YouTube. It's not like YouTube has not been there, but you know, me joining it now is new to me. It's new. TikTok and the rest of it has been our place, but I needed a place where I can post longer videos and basically be me. That's the main thing. Basically be me in it. That's what I want. And this space is not toxic. It's what I need. It's what I need. So you guys should subscribe to my channel and let's rock this space with so much love and happiness. I am blessed with the love of God. I am blessed. I don't deserve it, but yet I am blessed. I am blessed with the love of God. I am blessed. I am blessed.